Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'll be walking you guys through the processes of getting a foreign account number, a UK number, and also a USA account number. If you are not in these countries, you can actually get these account number as well. You can do your foreign transactions. You can also link this gray USA or UK account number to your PayPal for easy withdrawal, and also do a transfer to your Nigerian or African currency. You can do a conversion and then transfer to your local bank account. The name of this app is called Gray app. So you can actually get this app on the Play Store by searching Gray. For me, I already have an account with Gray, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a new account. Alright, so on my Play Store here is the Gray app. For me, I already have this Gray app, so that's why it's asking me to do an update. Alright, so let's proceed in the video. Now let's go back to Gray. So to get an account with Gray, you need to create a free account by clicking on create a free account. It will take you to an interface where you begin to fill in your informations. So you can pay attention while I walk you through these steps. Okay, so if you are in Nigeria, you can allow this as in Nigeria, and if you are in other countries, you can as well select your country. But since I'm in Nigeria, and getting a Gray account does not need a VPN or a proxy. You just need a Nigerian phone number if you're in Nigeria, and then select Nigeria. And you continue. Now you'll be asked to confirm if you have a valid ID card in Nigeria. So let's continue and proceed. Okay, so yeah, we're putting a first name. I'm actually making this account for someone. So you put the first name that appears on your ID card, the middle name that appears on your ID card. Okay. So if you're a female, you select you're a female. This account is for a female, so then put your email address here. And then the phone number. I'll just have to copy and paste this phone number. Okay. So referral code for me This is optional, so there's no need for a referral code. Let's continue. So here, when you get into this process, you have to put a phone number, an email, or a password that is strong, a password that you yourself know you will not forget. So I'm just going to create a password at this point. So for security purpose, I'm creating this account for someone. I'll just have to pause this video at this point, put the password, and then I come back to the business. Okay, so remember that in your password you need to have at least 8 characters. You need to have an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a number in your password, and also a special character. And you need to make this password a very strong one. After that, you agree to receive product updates, announcements, and exclusive offers via email, and they accept the terms of use and privacy of Gray. Let's continue. So here they've sent a verification OTP to this email. I'm just going to input, go to the email, and then get the OTP, and we'll continue. 7538774. Okay, so the email is now verified. So at this point, so many persons tend to ask questions, and the best advice I can give is, on what do you want to use Gray for? Now you select that you need Gray to get a visual card for online shopping. You need Gray to manage and track your expenses. You need Gray to get a foreign account to receive payments, to create invoices to receive payment, to send money abroad, save and hold funds in foreign currencies, dollar-based investment, and then you submit. Now I'll be to set up my pin, so I'll just quickly go down and set a pin for my Gray account. Actually, the Gray I'm creating for someone, so I'm just going to set the pin for the person, and we can continue. Okay, so I need to confirm my Gray pin. Alright, welcome to Gray. I just need to go to the home page of Gray, and here my account for Gray is set. I'll just need to go apply for a USA account number and a UK account number. One thing you should know is that if you are applying for this account number, you'll be asked to do a face verification. You need to provide other documents like your NIN, and then, or maybe if you have an international passport, you can also provide the international passport. Okay, so account verification needed. Right, so let me check this. Okay, okay, so For me to verify this account, and I need to put in, this is what I was saying, that you need your ID card, documents, informations, and also your home address. So let's use this opportunity to do this. Okay, Nigeria. I think I have this document about this person, so I'm just going to put in few of the documents, and I believe at this point of this in this video, you'll be able to walk yourself through the processes and then get your account verified. Okay, so I'll need to give this account to the person so that the person can upload a file containing her address, right? So that one is with her, I guess. So now let's go to the dashboard. Let's go to the home page. So for me to get this, let's say, account number, I need to begin the verification process here. Okay, and if I need a UK account, I can also click on this United States dollar, and then I'll click on the British pounds. So if I need to get my account, I'll have to verify my ID. Remember, I said this is not my account. For the sake of this video, I'm making this account for someone. I already have an account, working account for myself. And stay tuned. If you are a new subscriber, just stay tuned and like the video, comment on the video, and share the video. If you are new to my channel, do well to subscribe and hit on the notification bell. Remember, in this channel we tend to bring in updates that you can earn at least $10, $15 in a week. In the channel description, you can find my WhatsApp link, where you come, and then if you have challenges on how to make money, we can bring you closer to making money. All right, so see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Peace out.